There are now, in the spirit world, organised groups of spirits who specifically attack any person who wishes to find or have anything to do with divine truth. So they're just going around from every new person gets attacked by these spirits almost immediately as soon as they find divine truth. And that is a big issue that many of us face. And for those of us who've been listening for a long time and finding ourselves quite stagnant, the more you stagnate, the harder you're going to find your life. So my suggestion to you is to have some trust in God, trust in love, trust in using your will, have some faith, have some humility, and work through the issues that you're stagnant on, rather than holding on to them. Because the more you hold on to them, the harder this is going to get for you. If you release them, it doesn't get hard. It only gets hard when you hold on to them. So let yourself release. Let yourself go through the process. Let yourself go through the process even though other people might not agree with it. Allow yourself to do those things.